Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngaphuthi izindaba ongawenzayo njengamanje kakucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethe lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke ividiyo-ke yosisi-ke laphana-ke njengoba sonke-ke yonke sazi MK sifuna ukuphinda ukugwaza kabi-ke laphana-ke kwi-EFF laphana emva kokuba-ke ilunga elikhulu le-EFF limemezela ukuthi-ke liyashiya-ke laphana-ke kwi-EFF-ke lithe selibuzwa-ke laphana-ke lasho-ke laveza nanokuthi-ke i-MK-ke iyalishela-ke leli lunga-ke lishiye kwi-EFF. i-MK-ke ifuna-ke leli lunga lisuke-ke lihambe-ke liyojoyina-ke Umkhonto wesizwe-ke. Usisi-ke we-EFF kube esephendula-ke laphana-ke veza-ke laphana-ke ukungenami kwakhe nge-MK-ke efuna ukuthatha-ke wonke amalunga-ke e-EFF-ke. Mina-ke ngifuna ukuthi zongaphela nje dlala ividiyo yakho izwele wena ukuthi sini-ke lo sisi-ke. Ngicela lapha sizwele-ke le video le ungene ema-comment section-ke futhi uvo lapho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese ucindezela ibhathini subscribe manje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
A lot of people have been sending me messages this morning saying, Zizwele, we're waiting for you. Have you heard? Umkhonto has left. What? Guys, I know. Trust me, when news break out, I know. I was just busy shooting a YouTube video, which I just dropped. YouTube is my priority, son. So she must go, man. The show must go on. You know, the EFF is not going to collapse. People are saying, yeah, barely EFF. I barely EFF. We've got over 1 million followers. You think izawuphela xa kumke abantu abayi-10 okanye even noba ngamke abantu abayi-500 EFF ayizuphela? The show will go on. With or without you, the struggle continues. So Ubusisiwe, we wish her the best of luck. As we've seen with Floyd left endaweni yakhe kwangena uSnawo. Snawo is doing an exceptional job. There's another young person who's going to take indawo kaBusiwe Mkhwebane, and if she feels like her skills are not being utilized, she can go be an addition to MK. She has not announced if she's joining MK yet, but she has said MK has approached her many times, even before Floyd left. So she will see if they are still interested. If it was up to her, she wouldn't be joining politics, but she's got a family that she must feed. She's got kids to take care of. So, you know, she's got to get the bread. She's got to, you know, work. So she's probably gonna join MK, and with her experience, she's gonna be very, very, very she's gonna add substance to MK because with 10 she's got experience, and with all the legal cases MK that's going through, they can really need her help. They can use her help. So we're not mad. The show goes on. Julius Malema has prepared us. He said they are going to leave. We will be left in, and the show will go on with or without them. Period, guys.